Real quick, title of this video is a correction, not a correction, update, sorry. Update to my last video, Metropolitan Leather. If you want to check out that video, it's right here. I basically griped a little bit about my experience with Metropolitan. My phone is ringing, potential spam. I get this only when I'm filming does this happen. Anyway, was a gripe slash complaint slash just sharing my experience with Metropolitan. In my last video, you can check it out. And it was basically I had a hard time communicating with them, the shipping, how to pay, the payment processing. Anyway, all that to say is that they emailed me a response, which I'm grateful for. And out of respect, I'm not going to share the email, but all in all, it was a very good email, and they explained the situation, what's going on. And I'm going to look for it and then talk about it a little bit. Here, let me. Key point number one, they apologized, which is, and I appreciate that. That's really awesome. And they pride themselves in good customer service, so they take these things seriously, right? Just like any good company would. They're not using PayPal as a payment processing. They have the capabilities, but they are not offering that. And that is because as a small business, which I understand, there's cost involved in all that. And I don't have to say this, but for the last 2 years, it's been very difficult for any small business, including myself, to operate short staff. And that kind of industry, the leather craft industry, for what they do, you can't be home and do that, you know? So I get that. So they had to cut where they needed to cut. And part of that was the payment processing. You know, you pay a company just to move money from here to there, and they act as a middleman, and they take a chunk, you know? So I understand that. So they're trying to survive, right? So not only is the cost of shipping expensive, but also exporting from the UK. And they were explaining to me a little bit about the Brexit and how shipping and exporting from there is a little complicated. And that's all they left it at, was it's complicated. So just everything in general is a lot harder with less employees, or people are furloughed, and you know, this whole, you know what, has really hurt small businesses. So to sum it up, they apologized, and a lot of the reasons why they changed their payment processing is because it's complicated over there. It's expensive. They have employees that can't come to work. It's just really complicated. So they're trying to find a way to run their business and keep it in the green, right? Not in the red. Keep it in the black, not in the red. You know what I mean? Stay positive. That's all I got for you. Just a quick little video. All right, that's all. Bye. God bless you. Bye.